In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get approved for a Sam's Club card without an SSN. Before you apply, the first thing you need to know is that you must have an active Sam's Club membership. A membership is required before you can apply for a Sam's Club credit card, so make sure that part is already set up. If you are not yet a member, take care of that first because the card application depends on it. Next, check whether you have an ITIN, which stands for Individual Taxpayer Identification Number. If you do not qualify for a social security number, you may still be eligible for an ITIN through the IRS. This is important because some lenders in the United States do accept an ITIN for credit applications. However, keep in mind that Sam's Club does not publicly confirm that its credit card accepts applications based only on an ITIN. So this step is really about understanding what identification options you may have before moving forward. After that, gather all of your information ahead of time so the application process goes as smoothly as possible. You'll typically want to have your full legal name, your US mailing address, your date of birth, your annual income, and a government-issued ID ready. You should also be prepared to provide a social security number or another accepted tax identification number if that is permitted during the application. Having everything ready in advance can save time and help you avoid mistakes while filling out the form. Once your information is prepared, go ahead and apply either online through the Sam's Club credit page or in person at the Member Services desk inside a Sam's Club warehouse. Choose the option that feels easiest for you. Applying in person may be helpful if you want assistance during the process, while applying online can be faster and more convenient. After you submit the application, you may need to complete identity verification. If the card issuer requests additional documents to confirm your identity or your income, send them as quickly as possible. Responding promptly can help prevent unnecessary delays and keep your application moving. Then wait for the decision. Some applicants receive an instant response, while others may go through additional review before a final decision is made. If that happens, be patient and keep an eye out for any follow-up requests. If your application is declined because you do not have an SSN, consider your alternatives.